Hi everyone, my name is Ali. I'm a first year graduate student getting my second master in biological data science at ASU New College on West Campus. The main thing which inspired me to join this program was the combination of biological science and data science. And during our program, we got insight about data analysis and data science and machine learning, and now we can use them in our research. The most favorite part of program for me is our cohort and faculty members network. We normally have events to talk about the opportunities for applied project, a thesis, or even a job opportunity. I found how important is the biological data science in conservation, the marine conservation and the data science in the field of biology. I highly recommend you to join this program. Today and future, data science has a vital role. To solve the issues, to answer the questions related to these fields, we need to learn more about the machine learning and data science.